Hello, this is Layman's reaction. I've got something called Bluebird.
切なさは今掴み始めた。あなたへといだこの感情も今言葉に変わってく。未知なる世界の夢から目覚めてこの羽を広げ飛び立つ。羽ばたいたら戻らないと言って目指した
I like this song a bunch. It's just got a nice flow to it. The beat, the lyrics. You say if you could fly, you'd never come back down. You only have eyes for that blue sky. I like this. Their voices sound great individually and together. This is very nice. And the smiles, yes, all the way through, enjoying the performance. Smiles. This is a great way to start my day. Such an uplifting song. Oh, let's see what we got here. You've led to learn what sadness is, and now just grasping what pain is like. Even the feelings I have for you must be expressed in words. You say if you could fly, you'd never come back down. only have eyes for that blue sky. You know, if you can just make it through, you can find what you seek. So keep trying. I like this song. The way it was presented, the joy, the beat, the chorus. Yeah, just sounded great all the way through. And they did such a good job with it. So yeah, I enjoyed this. I hope you all did. Feel free to comment, subscribe, hit that like button.